Good day, good day, good day, mate! In this video, we're gonna fix the audio that's screwed up by the crew on the set. In other words, fix it in post. So we already know the audio is on the left only, okay? But this is stereo, not mono. You see? It's on the left only. So what if we balance the audio, right? Because this is the left only audio. Let's try to pan it to the right, all the way to the right. So what will happen? We only hear the noise. Where is the actual audio? We need it. So that's the first step you troubleshoot the audio in Adobe Premiere Pro, right? But we will fix it in Adobe Audition. Right click, edit clip in Adobe Audition. Boom. Okay. So this audio clip will be rendered and sent to the Adobe Audition. So we will edit the clip in Adobe Audition. Pardon, because I use ultra wide monitor, I have to adjust it a bit. As you see, the actual sound is in the left only, and in the right, we only got the noise. No bueno, right? So we will mute it, and I will choose the right and delete the noise. Okay, so I will unmute the left, copy, Ctrl C as usual, and Ctrl A to select all and paste. Boom. Unmute. Let's see the result.
Rolling and action.
Okay, it's kind of like mono, but it's still stereo. Okay, and it's still fixed. We got the audio in the both side of the speaker. So how to save it to the Premiere Pro? Easy, just save it like Ctrl S. Boom. And in the Adobe Premiere Pro, as you see, it will like blinking once because the audio has been replaced with the audio from the Adobe Audition. Let's hear it.
Rolling and action.
Easy, right? So if you guys have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.